Hello, in this video I will show you how you can turn on or turn off video stabilization on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the camera and right now open the video mode. Now open the settings by clicking on the icon in the bottom left corner and go to, if you want to disable video stabilization, you have to open more settings and right now you have to find the video stabilization. Here it is, and turn it off by using this switcher. Now, if you want to enable video stabilization, you have to make sure that it's enabled over here, and right now in the video section you have to select the mode that you want. You can lock the video stabilization, select the standard video stabilization, and there is also another mode, but this you can only enable if you are recording in the full HD and maximum 30 fps. Right now, as you can see, this option is available and this is the active video stabilization. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.